Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making a dessert and that is called coconut squares. For this I have taken 2 cups plus 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of coconut, 1 cup of gram flour, 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of clarified butter or ghee. Now I have to put all the ingredients all together in the pan. First of all, this clarified butter. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Coconut and this gram flour, sugar and milk. Now I'll cook this till the mixture thickens or the oil leaves the sides of the pan. Now I have been stirring this for 20 to 25 minutes on high heat. Now you can see the mixture is thickened and the ghee or the clarified butter has started leaving the sides of the pan. Now at this stage this is done. Now here I have greased this square pan and now I'll put this mixture in this pan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I have added this mixture in this greased square pan and now I will leave it to sit. Now I left these coconut squares which I was making for 6 hours to be cooled and set. Now this is completely cooled and set and now I'll cut them into squares. Coconut squares are ready to be served. I have added some pistachios on the top. This is only for the garnish and this is optional. If you want, you can add. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video, inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.